Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing Martin Luther King Jr. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker and a pencil. Okay little artists, we're gonna start this picture doing a letter C on the left side of the paper. This is the middle and this is the left side. And I want to do a big letter C. This is a cartoon character, so his head is going to be big and his body is going to be a little bit much smaller. Now, from this letter C, in the middle of the letter C, I'm going to do a circle that goes around it and it's going to finish here. So we're going to start here on the middle and let's go around. And this circle, I want to try to go slow, just to do it as straight as I can. Okay, so I went over and around. Now this is all what I need the pencil for. Now I want to change to the marker. The first thing we're gonna do is the hair. So there is gonna be hair inside the line of the pencil and hair outside the line. So let's start with the outside. And I'm just gonna do kind of like letter C's that go all next to each other, and we're gonna go up and the letter C's are turning and these are small and we still outside of the line of the pencil. And I want to stop right here, okay? Kind of like a little bit above the ear that we did here. And outside here we're gonna do actually the other ear, doing a backwards letter C. And this one is a little bit bigger than the other ones. Now we're gonna do the hair inside the pencil line. I wanna start doing here the same curves. And here, when we get here, we're gonna get really close to the pencil line, but not quite there, just really close. And now when I get to the top, I can get away from the pencil line again. Now I'm getting close. And from this point, I'm just gonna join to the curves we did. Okay. Now let's mark the pencil line with the ear. So the letter C we did here. And I wanna go over with my marker over the pencil line. And here where we have the ear, we can do kind of like a curve and connect, just to give it a little bit more like a cheek here. Next, we're gonna do the nose. So he's facing a little bit to the right. So the nose is not gonna be quite in the center, it's gonna be a little bit to the right. So it's a backwards letter C. And next to the C, we're gonna do one of the eyes with an oval shape, and we can color this with black. And I'm gonna leave a little bit more bigger space here, and I wanna do another oval shape for the other eye. So the space that I leave in between is bigger here than here. Next, let's do eyebrows, and these can be just like thin ovals on the top of the eyes. And they're pointing a little bit up. Next, let's do the mustache, and the mustache look like long leaves. So it's gonna go underneath the nose and passing the eye, and we can color this with black. And the mustache on this side is gonna be shorter, so it's the same idea, underneath the nose, passing the eye, and come back, and we can fill this with black. Next, I'm gonna do the mouth, and the mouth is gonna be first a line that goes across underneath both mustache. And now we're gonna do a big letter U that go underneath this line and cross to the other side. Next, I'm gonna do the tongue. And the tongue is going to be kind of like a letter M. And now we do a curve underneath. Now we're all done with the head. Let's move on to the body. And I'm gonna do two short lines. Remember, the body is gonna be a little bit more small than the head. So I'm gonna do one short line. And the other one is gonna go to the right, and this is gonna be the arm. Now let's go down And let's go back here. Okay, I'm leaving a space in between the two lines. Now on this side, I'm gonna extend this line a little bit more down. I'm going to come back and I want to do the same thing here. I want to leave a space and going up. Okay, I'm leaving a space right here. Now on this space we have left, let's do a letter B. And inside I'm going to do 2 lines in the corners, leaving a space in the middle. Let's do 1, 2 lines. And now here we're going to do in the middle a triangle shape. And another triangle touching this one. And these are gonna be colored with black. This is the harder part. Now let's move on to the sleeves, and we're gonna do a line that goes down and a line that goes across. And out here we're gonna do a circle for a button. Now here he's holding a book. So we are going to do 1 line and 2. Now let's leave a space and let's do this line again. 1, 2. And we're gonna leave a space. We're gonna go in a little and cross. And we're gonna cross right here. Now let's go down in each side. And before we can join them, let's do the hand. So the hand is just gonna go a curve and another curve. And now we can join these to the other side. This hand is gonna be out. So let's start with the thumb. It's gonna be an upside down letter U. And now we're gonna do kind of like a letter C. And we're gonna connect this letter C with the sleeve. And we're gonna connect here too. And inside here, we're gonna put 1 and 2 lines. Now here, underneath the letter U, we can do another little line. Let's finish the suit, and we're gonna go down here 1, and here we're gonna do a really short line underneath the hand, just one little. And we're gonna connect these two from side to side with a curve. Now for the pants, I'm gonna do 2 lines underneath this. 1 diagonal line, 2, and in the middle we're gonna do an upside down letter V or a A shape. And it's gonna look like this. We're gonna connect them 1 and 2. And the last thing will be the shoes. So I'm going to do a curve and come back and close. A curve, come back, close. And underneath you can do another line just to make it look like the bottom of the shoe. And here we're gonna put 1 and 2 lines just to make it look more like his shoes. Now that we finished the draw, we can erase the pencil line that we have left here in between the hair. And there, that's it. We finished this character who is Martin Luther King Jr. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out, and the colors I picked. You can choose to put also something in the background and some more details on his suit, but this is the easiest way that I find to do this character. So I hope you like this lesson, and I hope you enjoy drawing with me. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss easy step-by-step lessons like this one. See you next time!